In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of MooMoo Investing, a modern trading app that combines powerful tools with a user-friendly design. If you've heard about MooMoo and are wondering whether it's worth your time in 2025, here's what works, what doesn't, and who it's for. First, the strong points. MooMoo offers very competitive pricing and low trade costs, which makes it attractive for both casual and active traders. You can trade stocks and ETFs, and the app supports fractional shares, so you don't need a lot of capital to get started. The platform provides excellent charting and research tools, advanced charts, technical indicators, real-time data, and detailed company information, giving you serious analytical power that many beginner platforms lack. Another huge plus, MooMoo supports tax-advantaged accounts in certain regions, like TFSA or RSP for Canadian users, which means you can invest in a more efficient way if you're building a long-term portfolio. The interface feels polished and responsive, whether on mobile or desktop, and order types are flexible, which appeals to more sophisticated traders. But MooMoo isn't perfect. For some beginners, the wide range of tools and data can feel overwhelming. It's not the simplest tap-to-trade app. While the fees are generally low, very high-frequency traders or very large accounts might find cheaper or more tailored brokers. Customer support is decent, but a few users mention it can be inconsistent or slow when dealing with more complex issues. In addition, although MooMoo provides access to many markets, it may not match the full global reach or all asset classes offered by some ultra-large brokerages. So who is MooMoo best for? It's ideal for intermediate to advanced individual investors who want low-cost trading with strong data and research capability, appreciate advanced charts and real-time analytics, are building a long-term portfolio and value tax-advantaged account types in supported regions, want a flexible but well-designed platform. On the other hand, if you're just starting out and want a super simple, minimal interface, or you only trade occasionally, MooMoo's power might feel like overkill, or you might prefer something with fewer features and a lower learning curve. My verdict is that MooMoo is a very compelling platform. It offers a rare combination of low cost, strong research tools, and tax-advantaged account support. If you're serious about growing as an investor and want a platform that can scale with you, MooMoo is definitely worth considering. Let me know in the comments if you've tried MooMoo or are thinking about switching to it. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more honest and easy-to-understand investing app reviews.